So we want to learn how to structure songs. Fine. You know, intros are usually boring, so there's nothing else to say rather than buy and say in the next one. But fine. So here's the question. What am I supposed to put inside the intro? Does that even matter? Do people listen to the intros nowadays? Unfortunately, yes. So let's say your song is a story and you have to somehow introduce it. You have some characters in that story. Drums, basses, chords, leads, keys, vocals. These are all characters in your story. You can slowly fade them in using volume automation or using cutoff automation of the filter. You can take an existing melody and use a sound that sounds soft, so that the intro slowly introduces the next part of the song. But basically start with as little elements as you can, so then in other parts of the song you add more elements, and by that you introduce the next part of the song. Also, you can screw this and start with the drums, like all people in house music do. Or you can start with a drop, just like San Holo. Okay, so because I mentioned San Holo, let's take a look at his tracks and how he created intros. So the first track starting with the guitar, that is rising here. And then we have a little break here. So, and there's that. So this part is the intro, and what it is basically, it's a pad that is rising in volume, and there's a little break that is introducing the next part of the song, and that's basically it. Another one. Okay, so here we have black, or some keys, whatever. Lift me from the ground. And there's that very short intro. I guess it's 8 bars intro. And then we have a vocal before the verse. And another one. Okay, here, as I mentioned before, in the intro we have the melody that is playing in a drop, but it's softer. So yeah, it's slowly introducing the song. And for example, here we have this pluck playing all the time. Almost, I mean. Here, for example, the song is starting with the vocal. So there's like no rule. Summary. The main thing you should be focused on is if it sounds good and if it feels like you're introducing something. As we saw on the examples, what element you put in the intro does not matter so much. What matters is that if it feels like it introduces something.